Will your home pass the test? Can you sell your home for top dollar right now? Or do you need to do a few things to make sure you get top dollar? Hi, I'm Lindsay Jackman with Century 21 North Homes Realty and the Lindsay Jackman Group. Let's take the quiz to see if your home passes the sell for top dollar test. Here we go. When you walk up to your home, does it have curb appeal? Fresh landscaping, maybe a bit of fresh bark, flowers, plants, some pretty trees? How's the paint? Not so fresh? We can help. You see, you need to hire someone who cares more about getting you top dollar than possibly hurting your feelings. The truth comes out in buyer feedback anyway. Have you done the 3 Ds, decluttering, depersonalizing, and deep cleaning? And I mean real deep cleaning. Baseboards, scuff marks, changed out old mismatched light bulbs, stuff like that? No? We can help. Is your lawn nice and green or yellow and crispy? Yes, these things matter, and yes, we can help. Are the walls painted a neutral color? Have you patched any holes? If not, we can help. Brightly colored walls with mismatched paint does not equal selling for top dollar in this market. Do you have neutral carpets that are clean? If not, we can help. Do you have updated flooring and countertops? Or are your cabinets the same as they were 15 years ago? If that's the case, we can help. Are you sensing a theme here? Does your lot compare to the half acre that's up the street? You see, all of this matters, and this is a big one, the smell test. I'm sure you don't realize this, but did you know most people have a smell to their home? Yes, a smell. Do you have animals? What about cooking? Do you use spices that only you are used to? Have you truly compared your home to the competition? I mean, everyone, including me, thinks that they have the best home on the block. Is your home partially staged or fully staged with modern furniture to ensure it shows to the best of its ability? Or is your furniture outdated and probably would look better at Grandma's house? Sorry, Grandma. Don't shoot the messenger. I'm just trying to help you get the best return on your investment. So I challenge you, take the quiz, give yourself a score on a scale from 1 to 10 if you're ready to put your house on the market and sell for top dollar, or if you need to make a few changes. P.S. Most of us have to make a few changes, including me. The best part? I'm here to help. Whether it takes a week, a month, or even a year, I've got you covered and you have my full attention. I'm Lindsay Jackman, helping you find your way home.